Here, we will learn how to do the 60-volt X-Class performance controller replacement procedure. Turn off your bike and remove your batteries. Install your handlebar jacks, which are available at arielrider.com. To flip your bike over, make sure the area around you is free of obstacles. Grab the brake levers and squeeze them to engage the brakes. Then walk the bike backwards until it is upside down and gently set it down on the jacks. To remove the underseat cover, unscrew the M5 bolts with a 4mm hex wrench and clip the zip ties. Now that you can access the controller, disconnect the main cable assembly as well as the lighting cable connector and clip any zip ties. Disconnect anything else connected to the controller. With the Ariel rider seat wrench, remove the 5 M6 nuts securing the seat on the bike. The red circles show the locations under the seat. Return the bike to its upright position by lifting while holding the brake levers and walking it over onto its wheels. Locate and remove the controller mounting bolts with an 8mm socket and a screwdriver. Replace the controller mounting bolts in their original positions. It is easiest to get one bolt started through the frame into the controller first by threading it into the controller cover mounting component. Be very careful not to cross-thread the bolt. Fasten the other 3 bolts into place using an 8mm socket and a screwdriver. Return the saddle back to the bike. Prepare your bike to be flipped back over again. Install your handlebar jacks, which are available at arielrider.com. To flip your bike over, make sure the area around you is free of obstacles. Grab the brake levers and squeeze them to engage the brakes. Then walk the bike backwards until it is upside down and gently set it down on the jacks. With an 8mm socket, torque the 5M5 seat nuts and washers back down onto their posts under the frame. Be very careful not to trap any of the wires from the electronic components as you do. Reconnect the taillight connector and bundle the cable to secure the extra length of it with a zip tie. Connect the motor cable extension connector. Finish connecting the rest of the connectors and tidy up the whole bundle to zip tie them back down to the standoffs located here and here. Finish bundling the cables and zip tie them in place. Return the controller cover to the underside of the seat and secure it with a 4mm hex wrench. Zip tie the controller cover in place and clip the extra length of zip tie. If you have any more questions, please contact Ariel Rider Tech Support